In this lesson, we are going to learn about prepositions. Prepositions are very common in English, but many learners are not always sure how they work. In this lesson, we will learn how prepositions show the relationship between nouns and other words, especially when we talk about place and time. Welcome to Nothing Fancy Literacy, where we provide clear and practical English grammar lessons for students, ESL learners and teachers. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun and another word in a sentence. Prepositions often tell us about place or time. Let's look at some common examples. Some common prepositions include in, on, under, beside, before, and after. Now let's look at some sentences. The cat is under the table. The word under tells us where the cat is. This is a preposition of place. Here is another example. We had to go to assembly after lunch. The word after tells us about time. This is a preposition of time. Let's look at one more sentence. The class usually does maths in the morning. The word in tells us when something happens. Prepositions help us understand where something is or when something happens. Learning how to use prepositions correctly helps us write clearer and more accurate sentences. Now try the activity. Write your own sentence using a place or time preposition. If you found this lesson helpful, subscribe to Nothing Fancy Literacy for more clear and practical English grammar lessons.